Hi guys, very good evening everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is Mansi Gaur and in my channel I will be teaching you everything related to math, whether you are preparing for any competitive exams like SSC, CGL or banking or CAT or GMAT, whatever it is, I will be here to help you out. So this question here in today's class is a question from last year CAT paper. Let's see how to solve this question. It says that suppose k is any integer such that the equation this has no real roots and this equation has two distinct real roots for x, then the number of possible values for k is. So basically here two equations are given. For one there are no real roots, for the other one there are two distinct real roots, and we have to find the total possible values for k. So let's start. This equation 2x square plus kx plus 5 equals 0 has no real roots. So if it has no real roots, then b square minus 4ac for this case should be lesser than 0. Acha, when this is 0, then there will be no real roots. When this value b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then you have distinct roots. And when it is equals to 0, then both the roots are equal and real. So now in these two equations we will be using first and the second inequalities. Alright, I hope this part is clear. So I am erasing this for now. Yeah, so b square here is k square minus 4 times 2 times 5 less than 0. K square minus 40 should be lesser than 0. K square should be less than 40. So any number square which is lesser than 40, what all possible values we have? क्या क्या possible values हो सकती हैं जिसमें उस नंबर का जो स्क्वायर है वो 40 से कम हो? तो हमारे पास पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज में 0 हो सकता है. 0 स्क्वायर इज येस एब्सोल्युटली लेसर देन 40. 1 स्क्वायर हो सकता है, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज 7 स्क्वायर इज 49. Now if you take negative integers, then in that case -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So these will be the possible values for k for this equation. Let's take another equation now, which is x square plus k minus 5x plus 1 equals to 0. For this equation we have two distinct real roots. So in this case b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. b square will be k minus 5 whole square minus 4 times 1 time 1 greater than 0. Simplify this further. K square minus 10k plus 25 minus 4 should be greater than 0. K square minus 10k plus 21 should be greater than 0. This is a quadratic equation which we can easily solve as k minus 3, k minus 7 greater than 0. Okay, now this inequality here we want positive value because it is greater than 0. अभी greater than 0 है तो positive value होनी चाहिए. Here we have multiplication. दोनों brackets का जो result है वो हमें ultimately positive मिलना चाहिए. So if you take this k value to be lesser than 3, then this will give you negative answer. अगर आपने k की कोई भी वैल्यू -3 से कोई भी कम ले ली, 3 पर तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, 3 से कोई भी कम वैल्यू लोगे इट विल गिव यू नेगेटिव रिजल्ट. फॉर एनी वैल्यू विच इज लेस देन 3 इट विल गिव यू नेगेटिव रिजल्ट. सेम अगर आपने यहाँ पर k की 3 से कोई कम वैल्यू कोई भी रखोगे, 3 भी रखोगे, 3 से कम भी रखोगे, देन ऑल्सो इट विल गिव यू नेगेटिव वैल्यू. सो इफ बोथ ऑफ देम आर नेगेटिव इट विल see it is greater than 0. So ultimately if both of them are negative it will make it positive. तो ये फिर भी greater than 0 हो गया. And the other possibility is अगर k को आप 7 से बड़ा कर दो, अगर आपने k को 7 से बड़ा कर दिया, if k is greater than 7 in both of these, तो क्या होगा? दोनों ही में पॉजिटिव मिलेगा. सो आइदर व्हेन बोथ ऑफ देम आर पॉजिटिव और बोथ ऑफ देम आर नेगेटिव दिस इनइक्वालिटी विल सेटिस्फाई. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास यहाँ पर अभी 3 से छोटा और 7 से बड़ा कौन कौन सी वैल्यू हो सकती है विच आर लेसर देन 3 एंड मोर देन 7. सो फॉर दिस वी हैव वैल्यूज फ्रॉम -infinity to 3 and then 7 to infinity. These values are there and the union of these values will give us our answer for k, possible values for k. अब हमें फाइनल वैल्यूज चाहिए तो वो दोनों को मिलाकर आएंगी. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 3 to 7 के बीच में कोई वैल्यू नहीं हो सकती है. So if you can't take any value between 3 to 4, in that case 3 नहीं हो सकता, 4 नहीं हो सकता, 5 नहीं हो सकता, 6 नहीं हो सकता, 7 तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So 7 is already out. So what are the terms left which we can take when we include both these inequality solutions? Then we can have minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. How many total possible values? 3 and 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total we have 9 values. So answer for this is 9. I hope you all are clear, but still if you guys have any doubt, don't hesitate in commenting down below. I will help you out. Alright, in my next videos I'll come up with more interesting problems of GMAT paper, CAT paper and all banking related questions. So thank you so much and thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.